Today in our selection, we will look at the top 5 caves in the USA. Subscribe to the channel in advance so as not to miss the entertaining American statistics. 5th place, Cave of Balconies, California. The Cave of Balconies is a cave of collapse. This means that it arose due to the fall of boulders into the canyon, and not due to the flow of lava. Over time, earthquakes and erosion created a cave roof. Several routes in the park, which vary in length from 4 kilometers to 14. 5 kilometers will take you through the Cave of Balconies and take you out from the other side. Although it's not as grandiose as some of the other caves on this list. Balcony Cave is funny precisely because the entrance or exit, depending on which side you enter from, requires you to climb over huge boulders in the dark. You really can't do this without a flashlight or a headlight. If you prefer a cave that is easier to get into, then the Bear Gorge Cave is also a cave collapse, but has stairs and railings installed in the rocks, which makes it easier to pass. Inside it is difficult to pass because you will wade through boulders, like balconies, which are wet in winter. But at the end of summer, the trip will be a cool and long-awaited break from the heat. Both caves close between mid-May and mid-July to prepare for the nesting of Townsend's Ushan's smooth-nosed bats. 4th place, Lava River Cave, Arizona. Formed after the eruption of the volcano when the outer flow cooled down and the rushing lava continued to advance. The kilometer-long passage through the Lava River Cave is an ideal adventure for beginners. The height of the cave is 9 meters in some places and 1 meter in others, makes it difficult to pass in some areas, but increases the excitement of the adventure. Lavasicles hang from the ceiling, and rare rays of light penetrate through small holes. You can see the geological effect of lava passing through the tunnel in the smooth arch of the rock. 3rd place, Monkey Cave, Washington. Hiking the longest continuous lava tube in the USA is not a trip for the faint of heart. There are 2 caves in the Monkey Cave. The upper cave is the most difficult and also the most interesting. Cavers should definitely wear gloves to protect themselves from uneven rocks. The geology within the upper cave is changing everywhere, climbing up mountain piles and descending to a depth of 5 meters on slings available. You do not have to take your own, is part of the journey through the Cave of Monkeys. The cave is named after observations of a Bigfoot or Sasquatch in the area of nearby Mount St. Helens. 2nd place, Wind Cave National Park. The national park got its name Wind Cave due to the sound of the wind that breaks into the natural cave mouth and comes out of it. A sacred place of Native Americans, the park has 235 kilometers of explored passages, making it one of the longest and most difficult in the world. It is believed that it has the largest number of passages per square kilometer compared to any cave. One of the main features is an unusual mineral formation in the form of a box-shaped calcite masonry, resembling a honeycomb. It is icy and looks like paper snowflakes, but only made of mineral deposits. You can make various tours depending on the level of your capabilities, physical and financial. 1st place, the leader of our list, Carlsbad Caves. Carlsbad Caves is a national park located near Carlsbad in New Mexico. The largest cavern in the Carlsbad Caves is the Great Hall, a natural void measuring 219 by 190 meters and 107 meters high at the highest point. It is the 7th largest cave hall in the world. The caves are decorated with stalagmites, stalactites, and other bizarre geological formations. There are several hiking trails through the caves. Subscribe to the channel so as not to miss interesting tops in the USA.